Today I am bringing you a simple yet powerful DIY that is all about natural skincare. We are making homemade face wash powders. These powders are perfect for those looking to cleanse their skin without harsh chemicals, using only natural ingredients that your skin will love. These are fantastic alternatives to store-bought cleansers packed with nutrients and super gentle on the skin. So let's get started. In this video, we will see how to make vegetable face wash powder for all skin types. Face wash powder is an alternative to face washes. It is 100% natural and budget friendly. Vegetable face wash powder is very effective in removing dirt, oil and adding a natural glow to your skin. For the ingredients, you will need beetroot powder, potato powder, tomato powder, a container in which you can store your face wash powder. Take a container, add 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder, add 1 tablespoon of potato powder, add 1 tablespoon of tomato powder. Mix it well. Take a teaspoon of vegetable face wash powder on your palm. Add 2 to 3 drops of water, mix well. Apply it onto your face and massage for 2 minutes. Beetroot prevents acne, brightens skin, moisturizes and adds a natural glow. Potato powder lightens dark spots, fades hyperpigmentation, lightens acne scars and dark circles because potato contains azelaic acid. Tomato powder makes the skin firm and reduces fine lines. Do you know what makes the tomato sour? Because it has salicylic acid, which is a common ingredient in acne care products, thus making this vegetable face wash powder suitable for acne prone skin too. Rinse off with water after 2 minutes. This face wash powder is 100% natural and works well for all skin types. My skin looks absolutely fresh, moisturized and hydrated. You can see how my skin looks clean and I feel my skin is so much smoother than before. And all this happened in just one wash. You can use this vegetable face wash powder as an alternative to your face washes, cleansers or soaps. Both men and women can use this vegetable face wash powder. I bought these powders from Amazon. It is 100% natural powders from Herb Tonic. So I am talking about this wonderful ingredient called green gram. You can definitely find this at your Indian kitchen. So what you have to do is grab some green gram with your mom's permission and grind it. Grind it so smoothly, guys. Now I'm going to tell you how you can wash your face using this green gram powder. Make sure that your hair is tied up and spray some water onto your face or just wet your face. Make sure that your hands are not wet. With the help of a spoon, take a little bit, maybe half a teaspoon. You will not need more than this. Take it onto your palm. Add some water to make it a paste. Apply this onto your face. So after 30 seconds or a minute of massage, you can wash this off with plain water. Do not use face wash, face cleanser or soap to wash this off. Just use plain tap running water, and I will be back. Guys, can you see that? It actually brightened my skin. As you can see, this one, the homemade DIY face wash powder actually brightened my skin. It removed my dull skin, revealing the brighter skin underneath. Technically, it removed my dead skin cells, so it made my skin bright. Whether you try the green gram powder or the vegetable face wash powder, both are perfect for giving your skin a clean and fresh feel without any harsh chemicals. If you give this a try, let me know in the comments how this worked for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do share it with your friends and family who are interested in DIY skincare. Until then, next time, take care.